Hello and welcome back to our English learning series. Today we have a new story for you. Are you ready to practice? Let's begin.
Excuse me, are you the librarian?
Yes, I am. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for some books to improve my English, especially for daily conversations.
You've come to the right place. Are you learning English for work, studies, or personal growth?
Mainly for work. I can communicate, but I want to sound more natural and confident.
That's a great goal. Confidence comes with practice and exposure. Do you prefer novels or practical guides?
A mix of both would be ideal. I don't want to get bored.
Fair enough. Let me show you a section with short stories and real-life dialogues. They're easy to follow and very practical.
This library is really peaceful. It helps me focus.
That's one of the reasons people love this place. It's a nice escape from daily noise.
True. I usually study at home, but I get distracted easily.
You're not alone. Many people struggle with that. Studying here might do the trick for you.
By the way, how often should I practice speaking English?
Ideally, every day, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Consistency matters more than duration.
That makes sense. Sometimes I feel nervous speaking with others.
That's completely normal. Don't be too hard on yourself. Making mistakes is part of the process.
I guess I need to step out of my comfort zone.
Exactly. The more you use English, the more natural it becomes.
Do you have any recommendations for improving vocabulary?
Yes, try learning words in context instead of memorizing lists. Also, keep a small notebook for new words.
That's a practical tip. I'll give it a try.
And don't forget to revise regularly. Otherwise, words slip your mind.
Thanks for taking the time to help me. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. That's what I'm here for. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. This conversation itself was good practice.
I'm glad to hear that. Good luck with your learning journey.
Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Exposure. Experience of something that helps you learn. Distracted. Unable to concentrate. Consistency. Doing something regularly. Context. The situation in which something happens. Revise. To study again. New phrases. Do the trick. Be successful. Fair enough. That's reasonable. Be hard on yourself. To be too strict with yourself. Step out of your comfort zone. Try something new or challenging. Slip your mind. Be forgotten. My pleasure. Polite way to say you're welcome. Great job listening. You learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.